Hello, you're warmly welcome to Rapid Entrepreneurs, where we help individuals and business owners to start and grow their businesses. In this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with HostGator. Probably you may be asking yourself that why are we choosing HostGator? It's very simple. When you check PC Magazine, the best web hosting service for 2023 is HostGator. And HostGator has been on the #1 position for so many years now. And we have other companies like Bluehost, InMotion, DreamHost, A2 Hosting, and the like. And for Rapid Entrepreneurs, we have also experienced how faster and how best HostGator hosting is. The reason is that we host our websites on HostGator. That is the web hosting company we use for our company. So if you want to know more about this, if you come to rapidentrepreneurs.com and you come to the resource area, you are going to notice that when you come to the best deals, the recommended hosting that we recommend to all our students is the HostGator hosting platform. The reason is that it's among the top 3 best web hosting services in the world today. As you saw from the PC Magazine, if you check SimilarWeb for PC Magazine, you see that PC Magazine has over 21.7 million visits every month. So this means that this is a very popular website where when you want to know more about tech and also hosting and other forms of online tools, you can check it from PC Magazine. So they're recommending HostGator as one of the best hosting companies in the world. It's really awesome. And we have also testified to the fact that HostGator has 99.9 uptime. They have good pricing and it's also very good for beginner. And it is also very good for beginners, especially there's no technicalities involved in using HostGator hosting platform. So without wasting much time, let me just show you how to create your website with HostGator. So when you want to create a website, all you need to do is to visit rapidentrepreneurs.com, the resource area. What you can also do is that when you type rapidentrepreneurs.com/HostGator, it is also going to take you to the same location. So when you come here, then you just click on the get the best discount. So if you click on get the best discount, it's going to take you to the HostGator hosting platform where you can start creating your website in just some simple steps. So when you get here, you see up to 73% off of the shared hosting. So just click on get started. And one thing about HostGator is that they are going to give you a free domain when you purchase any of their plans. They are going to give you a free domain. So we have 3 plans here: the Hatchling plan, the baby plan, and the e-commerce plan. The main difference is that with the Hatchling plan, you can create only 1 website. But with the baby plan, you can create up to 5 websites. And with the e-commerce plan, you can create unlimited websites. So the best recommended one is the baby plan, because if you buy this plan, you can create up to 5 websites. So you can get some other websites as your portfolio website or even create for other clients when you buy this. But if you don't have the means to buy the 5 website package, then you can go with a single website, which is also fine. But with this demonstration, I'm going to go with the baby plan, which is the 5 websites, because I find that one to be very good. So I'll just click there, and then it's going to bring you to the HostGator checkout page. So this is where you're going to enter your domain. If you already have a domain, you can still use your already existing domain. You just click on I already own this domain. You enter the domain here, then you test it out, and then you can proceed with the checkout. But if this is your first time, you want to create your first website, or you are purchasing the hosting account from HostGator, then you can go with the register a new domain. So just enter the name of your domain here. So the name of my domain is Brand New Way More. Brand New Way More. So this is the name of my domain. Brand new name. Brand New Way More. So I'll just click on the com and see if it's available. So as you can see, brandnewwaymall.com is available. So they are giving me this domain for free for a whole year, which is very, very awesome. So just scroll down. After you've checked the domain name and it's fine, then you scroll down. So this is domain privacy protection. This is an extra $14.95 billed yearly. But I don't care if I don't check this. So it means that I'm not going to pay this $14.95. What this domain privacy does is that when you check this domain privacy, you'll be charged $14.95 per year. So what it's going to do for you is that when someone type your domain name onto the internet, they are not going to find your email address and other details. But if you uncheck it, it means that other people are going to see the email. So some people don't care if people see their emails. So you can also decide to add it or remove it. But personally, I wouldn't add it. So as you can see from here, the package is baby plan. They have 36 months. If you check here, they have 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, and 36 months, which is 3 years. So you can go with the 1 year if you don't have the 3 years budget. But if you have the 3 years budget, it will be better to go with the 3 years because you get 73% off for the whole 3 years. But if you go with 1 year, at the end of the year, you are going to pay the regular amount. So if you have the amount for 3 years, you can go with it. But if not, just select 12 months, which is 1 year, and then proceed. So you enter your email address, and then you confirm your email address, then you enter the password. This is going to be a security pin. This security pin is going to be 4 numbers. So after you fill these 4 numbers, anytime you contact support, they are going to ask you about your security pin to authenticate that this is your account. So whatever you enter here, make sure that you remember it. After that, then you enter your billing information, your first name, last name, and then you enter the credit card information as well. And then after you enter all of these, then this is also very, very important. Add additional services. So you make sure that you untick all these services because each of these will be added to your checkout page if you don't deselect it. So currently, you see that I'm going to pay $102. But when I deselect this one, let's check the price. Instead of $102, you see we are going to pay $63. So make sure that you deselect all these extra services. You don't need them. Make sure you deselect them. So currently we are going to pay $63.97. And interesting enough, HostGator has given Rapid Entrepreneurs a coupon code which is Rapid10. So when you enter Rapid10 here and you click on Validate, instead of $63.97, you're going to pay $62.66, which is very, very awesome. And one thing is that you can also change the country. If you're in Ghana, for instance, and you choose Ghana, the amount is going to be reduced. So you see, instead of $66, you're going to pay $58 for a whole year for 5 websites. So this is a very, very good and better deal for you. So always make sure that you have chosen 1 year or 3 year plan. Paying $58 for 5 websites for a year is really, really beneficial. So there's no way you can go wrong with HostGator hosting account. So after you fill the details, you make sure that you check this and then you click on checkout. So let me fill out the details quickly and then let's meet in the inside. So one thing about HostGator is that you don't need to get a separate domain hosting before you can link them together. You get everything at one place. So they are just setting up your web page. So at the end of the day, we are just going to create our website, or we are going to create our account. So just a moment. So as you can see, welcome. Tell us a bit about your goal. So you can decide to fill this or not to fill. I'm going to skip this because I just want to go straight and then create my website. So this is where it brings you. Build your website. So you can click on get started now and it's going to get started for you. You can also go to your dashboard. So instead of you clicking on start now, you can go to your dashboard. That is your billing portal dashboard. So as you can see from here, this is the dashboard. This is my dashboard. So what you can do is that if you want to install the WordPress website, just come to Marketplace. So when you come to your dashboard, this is your dashboard. So when you come here, you just come to Marketplace, you scroll down, you click on one-click install. So you wait patiently for it to open for you. Then it's going to use Softaculous to install your WordPress website for you. So this is very, very simple. Just click on install WordPress. You see, this is WordPress, so click on install. So as you can see from here, automatically, if you have one domain, it is going to pop up here. If you have more than one domain, those domains are also going to pop up here. But now we have only one domain, so brandnewwaymore.com. So make sure that you don't enter anything here. And this too will always be the latest version. So this is my blog. Make sure that you change the name my blog to your website name. So brand new way more, something like this. You can add your tagline here, the best place to purchase all your items. So something like this. So make sure that you don't use admin as your username. Make sure you don't use admin as your username. So I'm going to change it. For demonstration's sake, I'm going to use the word test. And then the password too, I'm going to use a default password. Let's say take 2020. So let's say this is my password, take 2020. And then you add your email here, the email address that they are going to send an email to. So let's say admin at brandnewwaymore.com. So that is it. After everything is done, you can also make sure that you add the same email account here. Then you click on install. So let's wait patiently for it. So as you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So now our website has been installed. So now when I click on my website name, you see it is not showing. The reason is that it is going to take some few moments. Sometimes it's even up to 24 hours for the DNS to propagate, because this is a secured website we want to go. So let's wait a moment and then I'll come back and click on it, and you see that you are going to see your website in action. So make sure that you copy this and you save it somewhere, especially the URL, which is the main website name and also the administrative URL is very, very important. As for the password, you remember the password you used to create the account. So that is it. That is it. So let's wait patiently. Let me click on it once again. Still not available. So after some few minutes, we want to check if our website is active. So for you to check whether your website is active, as you can see, we have the link here. So we can even click on the link, brandnewwaymore.com, or you can even type it here, brandnewwaymore.com. It could be small letters. So After you type it, then you just enter. So as you can see, we have our website here. So it means that our website is fully functioning. So that is it. So if you want to go to the back end of your website, it's very, very simple. Just add /wp-admin. That is it. So this is going to take you to the back end of the website. So as you all saw, the username is test, and then we enter our password. So just click on login. So if the password and the username is correct, it's going to take us to the dashboard area, to the back end of our website. So you see our website is fully up and running. So you can click on never so that you don't save it. So you see how easy it is to create a hosting account with HostGator. So now our hosting is done. We can create any type of website that we want, whether a business website, an e-commerce website, or what have you. We can do that now. But there are some important things that you need to take note of. After you have successfully done this, please make sure you go to your email address. It's very, very important. So let's go to my email address. So this is my email address. So make sure that you open all the messages from HostGator. So this is the welcome email message. So as you can see, we have purchased the baby plan, and this is the website that I have purchased. And then you see these are the name servers. Later on, you will see how this one is being used. Not in this video, but I'll be doing some additional videos on how to add new website to your existing hosting. I'm going to do videos on that. So if you've not subscribed yet to this channel, make sure that you subscribe so that when we release all those videos, you'll be the first to be notified, and then you can join the game. So let's come back. There is one important message that if you don't find here, you have to go to your spam folder. So let me go to the spam folder, click on more, and let me go to the spam. This is about the verification of your domain. Anytime you purchase a domain, you need to verify it. Otherwise, your domain will not work after some few days. So this is very, very important. So you see, there is this email from Launchpad HostGator, which says important, verify your contact information for brand new more. So I will just click here and say looks safe. So after you click on look safe, it is going to, okay, so as you can see, now it says message marked not suspicious. So what we are interested in is this link. So you can even copy this link. You can copy it, and then you open a new tab, then you paste it. So this is when it comes to your spam box. Some of you may have yours in your inbox, which is fine. So your email address has been verified successfully. So now we have verified our email address. So we are done. We are done. These are some of the most important things that you need to do. It's very, very important. If you don't do this, in some few days, your website will not work. And you may not know why your website is not working. It is because you've not verified. So make sure you verify this. I can close it now. And now I can go back to my inbox. So now that we are done creating our hosting, the only thing that we need to do is to create our website. For you to create a website, we have other videos that we explain how to create a website. Very, very simple. Let me show you some of the initial settings that you need to do. So make sure that you come to settings, you click on the general. So you want to make some changes in the general settings. So you can change your site title to your website name. Let's say brand new day more. Then you can add your tagline where you get the best products to buy, something like this. As for the URL, you will not change it. You leave it as it is. You leave this as it also is. Then you click on Save Changes. So the next important thing is the permalink. So after you click on the permalink, you make sure that you have selected post name. Very, very important. Make sure you select post name. Then you click Save Changes. The reason why you are selecting post name is that if you don't select that one, previously it was on day and month. If you post anything, instead of the name of that page appearing in the URL, you're going to see date and month you used to create that post, which is very, very bad. So make sure that your permalink is set to post name. Now that this is done, you can go to the plugins area, go to installed plugins. Now you can delete all the plugins. Before you can delete, you have to deactivate them. We don't need these plugins. They are default plugins that came with the installation. So let's click on it and select delete and apply. So now we are deleting all these plugins because we don't need them. We want to create our own or add our own plugins. So now that the plugins are deleted, we can just go ahead and then create our website. So one thing that we can do, one plugin that we can add is called starter template. So we can add our starter template. Even if you click starter, it will come. So this is the plugin I was talking about. So you can easily install a pre-made website with this. So just activate it. Just activate it. So let's say you want to create a restaurant, a barbering shop, whatever you want to do, just come here. See library. You just click on See library. Build your website now. You choose Elementor, which is the page builder you're going to use. So you see all these are templates that you can choose from. So if you want to create an e-commerce website, you can choose from any of these templates. So let's see if you can find one template that you would want to use. So let's go up. So if you see premium, it means that it's a paid one. If you don't see anything on it, it means it's free to use. So that is it. So let's just choose any of these. So probably we want to create an e-commerce website. So we click on this one. So you see, this is the pre-made template. So just click on skip and continue. Click on continue. You can either choose to fill this detail, but I will not fill this detail. So submit and build my website. So now with a single click, this website is going to be created in just some few minutes. So as you can see, with just some few minutes, our website has been created. I can view my website, click view your website. So our website is going to be viewed now. So just imagine, with just a single click, we have all this website for ourselves. So if you are selling something, you just change these images, whether you are selling shirts or you're selling fruits or whatever, you just replace these images and then you have your beautiful website up and running. So you see, it doesn't take long for you to create a website. I mean, a professional website. And this website too is very, very mobile friendly. So you can check the contact us page. It has a contact us page, very beautiful one. When you go to the about us page too, you see the about us page is there. So everything is on point and they are all beautiful. So this means that it's very, very easy for you to create a website with HostGator. So that is it for today's video. Later on, we'll be doing additional videos on how to create subdomains with HostGator, how to transfer your hosting from Cloudways or any other hosting provider to HostGator. So we are going to show you all of these in the subsequent videos that will be coming. So if you've not subscribed yet, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and then turn on the notification so that when we drop a video, you also get a notification and watch it as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching, and let's see you in the next video.